Here I have Blackview Tab 6, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So to do this, first let's open settings, then you should go to the storage section, then go to the SD card, could be files, okay. Tap on three dots, then go to storage settings, select format and then confirm it. And after a few seconds, SD card will be fully formatted and ready to be used anew. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.